Explain Android networking and API calls. Discuss how Android applications communicate with web servers. Explain HTTP methods, JSON, REST APIs, and networking libraries. Volley and retrofit with suitable examples. Android networking. Android networking is the process of sending requests from an Android application to a server and receiving responses through the internet. It enables applications to access online services and update information in real time. Working of Android networking. Android application, नीचे arrow, HTTP request, नीचे arrow, web server, नीचे arrow, वेब सर्वर और API, वहाँ पर वेब सर्वर नहीं है, सिर्फ वेब सर्वर और API, नीचे एरो प्रोसेसर रिक्वेस्ट, नीचे एरो रिटर्न्स JSON रिस्पॉन्स, नीचे एरो एंड्रॉयड एप्लीकेशन डिस्प्लेज डाटा. What is an API? An API is a set of rules that allows two software applications to communicate with each other. API stands for Application Programming Interface. In Android, APIs are used to fetch or send data between the mobile app and the web browser and the web server. Example: Weather API, Google Map API, Payment API, News API, REST API. REST or Representational State Transfer is a web service architecture that uses HTTP methods to exchange data between clients and servers. REST APIs are lightweight, fast, and widely used in Android applications. HTTP methods. Android applications mainly use the following HTTP methods. 1. Get, post, put, delete. Get retrieves data from the server. Example: display a list of products in an online shopping app. Post sends new data to the server. User registration. Example: user registration or login. Put update existing data on the server. Example: update user profile. Delete removes data from the server. Example: delete a user's account or product. Difference between HTTP methods: get retrieves data, post creates new data, put update existing data, delete removes data. JSON is a lightweight text-based format used for exchanging data between Android applications and web servers. It is easy to read and faster than XML. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. Example: डबल कर्ली ब्रैकेट्स, फिर नीचे डबल कोट्स में ID कोलन, डबल कोट्स में ID, फिर कोलन 101 कॉमा, फिर डबल कोट्स में नेम कोलन, डबल कोट्स में अली कॉमा, डबल कोट्स में कोर्स कोलन, डबल कोट्स में MCA और ब्रैकेट क्लोज नीचे. Why JSON is used? Lightweight, fast, easy to understand, human readable, supported by almost all programming languages. Networking libraries in Android. Android provides libraries to simplify network communication. These two most popular are Volley and Retrofit. Volley is a networking library developed by Google to manage network requests efficiently. Features: fast request processing, automatic request queue, image loading support, response caching, response caching. Seshing. Application. Caching. Applications. Login requests. Fetching JSON data. Image downloading. Disadvantages. Easy to use, efficient for small requests, automatic caching. Disadvantage, not ideal for large file uploads or downloads. Retrofit definition. Retrofit is a type of safe HTTP client developed by Square for Android. It converts JSON responses directly into Java Kotlin objects. Features: easy API integration, automatic JSON conversion, supports asynchronous requests, simple interface based coding. Applications: social media apps, banking apps, e-commerce apps, and weather applications. Advantage: cleaner code, easy maintenance, high performance, supports multiple converters. That example JSON XML. Disadvantage: slight learning curve for beginners. Difference between Volley and Retrofit. Volley is developed by Google, best for small requests, built-in caching, good for images and JSON. Retrofit, developed by Square, best for REST APIs, automatic object conversion, better for large applications. Why network access is not allowed on main thread. Network operations may take time due to internet delays. If performed on the main UI thread, the application becomes unresponsive, the user interface freezes, the Android throws an application not responding, ANR error. Therefore, networking should not be performed in the background using libraries like Retrofit or Volley. Advantage of Android networking: access to real-time information, enables cloud-based services, supports online communication, easy integration with web services, improves application functionality, enhances user experience.